Greetings! We are an ISO 9001 certified company delivering trusted, precise, and industry-proven calibration solutions. Introducing the improved version of high-precision humidity temperature and generator, packed with advanced features and value for money, combining a compact design with world-class performance. This chamber offers a set range of up to 3% to 95% relative humidity and 5 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. This chamber delivers fast and stable performance, rugged aluminum enclosure, large chamber size, replaceable front door suitable for multi-brand probe and portable indicator calibration, and it has an advantage of external humidifier for easy maintenance and refilling of water, semi-portable and on-site transportable. Equipped with a 7-inch TrueColor TFT touchscreen display, offering clear visibility and intuitive operation. Delivers more resolution of 0.01% relative humidity and 0.01 degrees Celsius for precise measurement control. The dew point temperature range is from -30 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. Display stability is better than plus or minus 0.03 degrees Celsius and plus or minus 0.15% relative humidity. At 25 degrees Celsius, chamber stability is plus or minus 0.1 degrees Celsius for temperature and plus or minus 0.3% RH for humidity. Chamber uniformity at 25 degrees Celsius is plus or minus 0.2 degrees Celsius for temperature and plus or minus 0.5% RH for humidity. The system is built with solid-state heating and cooling technology. Auto mode operation. Switch on the instrument and allow the system to initialize. Set the required temperature and humidity values simultaneously using the TFT display. Allow the system to reach the set temperature and wait until the status indicates stabilized. At this stage, the humidity control will automatically activate. The humidity system and external humidifier will then adjust automatically, switching on or off based on the set conditions. Once the humidity also reaches a stabilized state, you may proceed with the calibration. For multiple calibration points, repeat the same process, always following incremental steps, from lower to higher values, for accurate and reliable results. Manual mode operation. Manually turn off both the humidity function and the external humidifier. Set the required temperature value using the TFT display and allow the system to stabilize. Once the temperature reaches a stable condition, set the desired humidity value. Now, based on the on-screen guidance, manually control the humidity and external humidifier by switching them on or off as required. After achieving complete stabilization of both temperature and humidity, proceed with multiple points of calibration. Ethical calibration software optional, designed for data recording, analysis, and calibration report generation. A high-precision humidity and temperature generator is widely used in calibration and testing laboratories, pharmaceutical industries, sensor manufacturing plants, and research institutes. It is supplied with an ISO IEC 17025 accredited calibration certificate. For more product details and specifications, visit sunsol.net or contact our team. Thank you.